Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check if your PC has TPM or not. So that's been said, let's get started. If you are using Windows 10 operating system and want to upgrade to Windows 11, then you must have TPM on your system. Here I'm going to be showing you a few methods by which you can check TPM. So the first method is by using Windows Security. For that, on the search option, search for Windows Security, or else you can also click on this arrow icon on your taskbar and here open Windows Security application. So this is our Windows Security. Here simply click on Device Security. Here you will find Security Processor. If you find this kind of message that says your system security called Trusted Platform Module TPM is providing additional encryption for your device, that means your PC has TPM. Now let me show you the second method. For that, you can use Device Manager. To open Device Manager, right click on Start button, then click on Device Manager, and here you will find all the list of devices which are installed on your system. Here look for Security Devices. So here I have Security Devices. Simply expand this option and here you will find Trusted Platform Module 2.0. Simply select this and here you will find TPM 2.0 property. Look for device status. If here you find device is working properly, that means your system has TPM. Now let me show you another method by which you can check TPM. For that, open Run. To open Run, you can also use Windows plus R shortcut key. Just open this. Here you will find your Run command. Here simply write tpm.msc, then click on OK. This will open TPM Management on local computer. Here look for the status. If you find the TPM is ready for use, that means your PC has TPM. You can also check TPM manufacturer information. Here you can see the manufacturer name, that is AMD, and here you have manufacturer version and the TPM version, that is TPM 2.0. Let me tell you that if you are not getting this option, then you can try to enable TPM on your BIOS setting. So we already have a detailed article, so I'll put the article link in the description box. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.